Good morning, class. I hope you are good or fine. Open your book, page number 8 and 9. This is Nadia. This is Nasir. A purse, a drawing, a ring. These are Nadia's things. They are hers. This is Nasir. A rupees, a kite, a ship, a map. These are Nasir things. They are his. Page number 9. The book is on the table. The book is on your table are yours. They are yours. The books on their table are there. They are theirs. Look at these pictures. This is Nasir. These are Nasir things. They are his. Used for his. Kite, rupees, a ship, a map. This is Nadia. These are Nadia's things. They are hers. A purse, an envelope, a drawing, a ring. What's meaning? Ring, a round piece of metal. Purse, a handbag. Sad, unhappy, dirty, unclean. Finish this sentence about Nadia and Nasir. Used to his or hers. The purse is dash. The purse is dash. Her. The rupees is his. The drawing is hers. The map is his. The kite is his. The ring is her. The ship is his. Home activity, workbook, homework page number 8, question number 2. Page number 8, workbook page number 8, question number 2 on book. Thank you, student. God bless you. Stay home. Stay safe.